3 reasons why you should learn Chinese. Reason number 1. Chinese is the most spoken language in the world. More than 1 billion people speak Chinese. Understanding Chinese, you understand 1/5 of the world. Reason number 2. Learning Chinese makes you a much smarter person. Chinese can improve your motor skills, math ability, memory, and a lot more. Reason number 3. Learning Chinese is fun and easy. Chinese is the only pictogram language in the world. You see here a picture only. I see 4 Chinese characters. If you think writing Chinese characters is difficult, think again. If the C line can write Chinese characters, so can you. Learning Chinese makes you a smarter person, a more artistic person, and a better person overall. Sign up today.